Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Dewalt Jobsite fan, and if you guys didn't know how to get this, you guys could get this starting this week, I believe. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools to make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribes and likes. Yes guys, you guys could get this with this free 5 amp hour battery. I believe this is 119 and with the free 5. There's other tools you guys could get, but this video is just for the review. If you guys want to find out how to get that deal, I'll link it up above for you guys on the right hand corner. The Dewalt 11-inch corded cordless job site fan tool only, 20 volt max. It says IP54 rated, so it is splash proof. If you leave this outside, if you put it in the back of your truck, it rains for a little bit, it should be fine. You got the DCE511B, says guaranteed tough. It's corded or cordless, so you can put an extension cord on this thing. Corded cordless option flexibility, use freestanding with multiple integrated mounting options, including tripod mount, hanging hooks, wall mounted base, tripod sold separately. Specifications: you got CFM 500, you got runtime up to 7 hours. Fan is set as a maximum speed using Dewalt 4.0 amp hour battery sold separately. So this is 7 hours on a 4 amp hour battery, so that's not bad. It does include a corded cordless fan, DCE511. Alright, that's the way it looks. Pretty simple. Alright, so we got some instructions. Pretty heavier than what I thought this fan was gonna be like. Battery right there, and like I said, a little door for the extension cord. It says 20 volts, and you do have a trigger here, so you guys could turn it off, turn it back on. It does click. Maximum and minimum, obviously, and off. We do have a nice base here. You got DCE511 job site fan type 1. You input 120 volts or 20 volt max, 0.5 amp hour or 0.5 amps. Says Dewalt Industrial Tool Company, Towson MD, USA. For service information, call dewalt.com. It's made in China. So you got 2 hooks here. They are holded. They have their own place here. As you guys see there, this is rubber. So it does have like a rubber stop in case you want to maybe put it this way or something, or when you put it on the rafter, it'll just stop it here. We do have a tripod mount, just like it said. It does have a tripod mount. It is metal. We got 2 different types of tripod. We got a standard, I believe this is a standard camera tripod, and then we have a bigger tripod, maybe for a, you know, like a tool tripod. Warning signs there. You do have no rubber feet, so just plastic. Looks pretty heavy duty, to tell you the truth. Pretty heavy duty plastic, kind of like the Dewalt type of plastic you see on most of the tools. That was about 10.5 or so, 9.5 wide. I'll say about 16. Whole unit wide, I'll say about 12 is the bottom base. So the thickest point, I will say, is about 8 inches. And the thinnest point, which is the fan itself on the top, 7 inches. The base was about 11.5. And put this here. Alright, we're 110 ounces. We're gonna change the unit number here. Grams, kilograms, pounds. So we're at 6 pounds and 14 ounces. And let's got a 4. This 8.36 with the 4 amp hour battery. It does have this control, so obviously a click will turn it on. You got a nice soft air movement. Obviously if you turn it, you're gonna start getting more flow. I gotta say, it's not crazy air, but it'll definitely move some air. You'll feel it. I have some stuff over there I'll say about 7 feet away, and it's you feel it. So you'll feel the air movement about 7 feet. Most likely you feel it, you know, a little bit more than 7 feet. It's pretty much, you can rotate it just about 180 degrees, I would say. Yep. A comparison, Dewalt fan and my Ryobi fan. Alright, we're at 0. We're gonna put the tool only, the fan. So 2.1 pounds. Alright. So this one does have high and low. I gotta say the Dewalt is definitely more quiet. Definitely more quiet, and just about the same air movement, maybe a little bit more. But I gotta say, I don't have an air meter, but I can feel it that it's maybe just about the same or a little bit more than the Ryobi, but it is definitely quieter. So that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers and platform by subscribers and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.